Mexico! Yeah!
You know, quiet it down a little bit. It's just fucking loud right now. It doesn't help that it's fucking cam jamming its dick off. Whose genius idea was it to buy a 4x4? That one can't even fit a fucking muffler there. The cause of all my problems, me again.
I could always take the torch and start cutting off.
You can always modify the fucking downpipe.
No.
And put like a little.
That's why you're not a fabricator. You're barely a tuner.
Wow.
Have fun.
A little bit quieter, huh? Should be enough to straight drive. Sounds good, buddies. Took you long enough.
So you got the hanger here, 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 and here to take off, and then everything comes apart.
Okay.
Looking good.
All the lights are blue. PI clusters hooked us up. Wow. Even the lights on my low.
This idiot, he's like, two-step it. I was like, all right. And this is where, let's go. Ooh. You saw the white smoke? Yeah. As soon as I hit second, it's crazy because it didn't like rod knock, you know, like it didn't do none of that. Just and turned off. That's why if you look in cylinder number 3 right now, the rod is straight up. They didn't touch the cylinder walls. It's like part of it. I'm pretty sure because spark plug number 3, it got jammed in.
Nice. That's what you get for fucking racing the Banks car, bro.
The Banks car. The bank knew what they were getting themselves into.
I was gonna give them your vacation hours, but you know you're already insufficient. Insufficient funds. I use
this.
You use this year and next year.
Next year.
Hey, I see ya. Adam, you got vacation?
Huh? Yeah, I do.
You got vacation?
I got plenty of vacation. You gotta get fired first.
Hey, Jesse. I was gonna send Richard home, but nobody has vacation hours to share with him.
I got vacation hours.
That's what I'm saying. You don't have none.
Yeah, I do.
No?
I have 3 days still. Yeah. I worked for 3 days and you covered 3 days. So I didn't get paid for the 3 days that I
I
worked.
paid myself with that, so I hope you don't mind.
What the fuck?
Back to the field, Terry. Don't cry, you wanted this.
Can you see it?
Yes. Oh, fuck. For everybody at home. What's happening? I'm gonna get some parts painted just so it looks halfway decent. I don't like it. We're at least gonna paint the roll pen and the lower bumper, maybe fix the fender hopefully before the weekend. We have a truck show we're going to. I'll probably take this one in the F-150. Hopefully we get that back in time. We'll just go from there, and then in the long haul we'll get the whole thing painted.
I was telling you about my bad dream that I had last night. The truck got stolen, right? Come to find out that it wasn't stolen.
Chip Booth picked it up and
Yes.
fucking customized it?
Yes.
I fucking knew it. Of every boomer out there, that's probably like the last one I'd want to put on there. Because it's probably put a fucking Magnaflow muffler on here or something.
Yeah, Magnaflow muffler, it had the flame steering wheel, all the fucking body panel gaps.
If you're gonna steal it, just don't give it back.
Yeah, no, please. Tear it apart, don't give it back.
You're gonna put some Chip Foose wheels on it.
Yeah.
Oh, 5-spoke steel ass wheels, nobody cares about.
Wow.
Wow, got another dent.
How does it have dust already? How?
Or you did a dyno pull with it
I
on.
did.
Like a dustpan, but for your truck.
Fuck out of my face. So I was thinking that whenever we actually get the whole thing painted, I just send them the fucking bed and then we send them the cab.
I'm not pulling that cab.
Why not?
It's not a fucking diesel cab, don't need to come off.
Bow, bow, bow.
Stop.
Oh, look at this trans line.
It's not transfer. Battery.
0 watt.
I'm gonna replace it strategically with the rubber chicken.
What are you gonna do with that?
What? The rubber chicken? Yeah. It's an important tool, don't lose it.
So we're just gonna have to buy a new bed?
Yep. Brand new.
You think so? We just buy a new bed?
GM OEM replacement.
Don't listen to this guy.
Buy it out of them?
No.
What are you gonna use that for?
When I'm tuning, it goes off if there's knock retard.
There's always retard, so it's always constantly going off.
Yes. Especially when these customers keep bringing me fucking trucks with 87 octane in them. You know who you are. Why are you having Juan paint it and not just Mako? Wouldn't it fit the theme of the truck?
The theme whenever we had the truck for like the first week, maybe.
You're right, it's come a long way.
If we're going by that logic, why am I having you tune it?
Wow.
With the sauce and the
Why are you punching for?
Because I can. When do I take off this bumper cover? Let's go. We've been doing all day.
That one should be quick.
We'll find out again.
Stop.
Damn, if only somebody would pick up the fucking scrap. Tried really hard not to have a bad day with you today, Jesse.
What did I do now?
You didn't pick up the scrap. Hurt my toe. If my toes hurt, I can't write checks.
Should have been wearing steel toes.
Imagine if I kick you with steel toes, bro.
Imagine if I kick you back with steel toe.
You're a pussy.
Dude, there's so many clips.
All right, Janice.
He's flat earther. He said the world isn't flat.
Excuse me? No, my friend thinks the world is flat.
Oh.
He thinks that Australia doesn't exist. Australia is fake. Everybody that lives there is fucking paid actors and shit. All of the world's countries, even like people that are enemies, are all in on it, make people think that the world is round when it's really not. For what gain, I don't know. I don't really see the benefit of lying to millions and trillions, however many people there is on planet Earth.
Trillions, yes.
Trillions, yes. Yeah, and then apparently dinosaurs weren't real either. Any fossils you might find somewhere at like the museum downtown. A good place to take your kids to, by the way.
It was all 3D printed parts that they buried.
Oh, nice.
Somebody went out of the way and buried all these fucking things.
Yeah,
Just
these giant ass.
fucking elaborate ass prank, bro, I swear. The mind of a conspiracy.
The moon landing was filmed in a spinning room.
Yeah. Well, I don't know about that one. That one is kind of sketchy.
I want to go. I want to go to the moon. I used to want to be an astronaut.
How does a flag ripple in the vacuum of space? That's a tough one.
Yeah.
I mean, the moon has an atmosphere.
Yeah, but it has
Not as
no
thick as
gravity.
ours.
There's no gravity.
So
So that
it
means the
wouldn't-
flag would have been straight up.
No, it wouldn't be straight up. It wouldn't fall. It would just float however it wanted to.
Oh god, we're about to lose views. Yeah, I was talking shit about whenever you pulled up. I was like, this is the part where people click off the video. We just pulled this off right now. The
Okay.
pan's right there. There is one small dent from the...
That's fine. The fender is what I'm concerned about.
It sucks that it got creased so bad right there too.
The problem is it's not just there. It's like there,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, he's not opposed to swapping out the whole fender.
Okay.
Ooh. Damn.
I know, man.
That ain't Jemima?
That's a thick ass boy.
What y'all feeding them over there in Louisiana? Crawfish, some boudin balls, and what else?
It's definitely. It's got to be the boudin balls.
I thought you said you could fix it.
Yeah, depending on the dent.
Bro,
you
I've
didn't
seen
tell
you.
me it
Bro,
was
you
folded
crashed
in
your car.
half.
You've crashed your car 6
And
times.
there's another
they fixed
done
it.
here.
No, that's for aerodynamics.
Oh, okay.
So she's a little rough.
That's rough, but
Okay.
the rest of the truck looks clean. Are you gonna keep it white?
I don't know. We haven't decided yet. Pull
There's
some
the
in
Trans
there.
Am.
In the back.
You want to buy another one?
No,
You want to buy a fast one?
You want to buy one that's running?
I want to be forgotten.
It's just no fun no more when you can go as fast, if not faster, with the car that has AC. And
Fuck
No
AC.
point.
Who wants that shit anyway?
You must not live in Texas, buddy.
Now it sounded more normal. It still sounds weird with that single.
All right, guys. So we finally got the On3 car buttoned up. Harry knocked it out. The only thing that bothers me at this point is the charge pipe. But this is just a temporary solution. We're just gonna get a base tune on it, make some low power, and then we're gonna have either David or Aldo make a custom aluminum charge pipe. This is just for now. Everything should be a little cleaner once it's all done. We'll wipe it down, make it look nice, but hopefully in one of the coming videos, we'll have this thing on the dyno and see what it makes. 650, 700 maybe. I don't know, we'll see whatever the turbo can take. It's a 76, but the exhaust size is a little small, so I think that's gonna be the limitation. We might start seeing back pressure issues, which is a big reason why up until recently a lot of Coyotes didn't really do big singles because they can't really fit a 4 or 5 inch downpipe without going out the hood or the fender. So this kit, as it's configured, probably a solid 650, 700 horsepower capable kit. Everything else on it is nice. Has a nice Boss intake, 4 innovations, fuel system, ID 1050X injectors. So I mean, it has some good stuff on it. It's just one of those things that as we go on and as the customer wants to make more power, we can upgrade certain components on the kit. Eventually probably won't have this kit on it and then just make a fuckload more power. We got a startup tune on it, so let's turn it on and see what it sounds like. If it doesn't turn on, don't worry, I put this shit together myself.
can't even tell when it starts to fucking. Maybe about there. Let me just back out all the way. Fucking piece of shit.
I'm gonna grab the fire extinguisher because I built this shit myself and it's the first pull. You never know. Safety first.
Yeah, but I had to let off at 5K, so it didn't really carry.
7.5 pounds.
7? Oh yeah, that's probably gonna be a problem too.
It's gonna suck. Everything looks good so far.
Valve springs like it was a big jump. That was a little bit longer of a pull because we did it in 6th gear compared to 5th. I mean, everything seems to be okay so far. It just sounds so crazy, but it's like it fucking wants to hit hard, carry, and then it like falls off up top. It could just be the turbo's just undersized for the setup, but I mean, if it makes 750 and it rolls out, then it'd be a strong 750 car.
What did John say about the last one?
It might have spun, but that it's probably floating the valves already. That was like 11 pounds. Just for comparison, the F-150 has made 1100, 1150 on 20 pounds, and then it started having, you know, valve float issues. The difference is we have 2 properly sized turbos on that one. It is what it is. So the car should be pretty fun, pretty quick, but it needs a bigger turbo. But let's get this last tune in it and see what it makes. Floating the valve over 7,000. Like as soon as it hits 7,000, it's like, fuck you.
Made pretty good power, didn't blow up.
Yeah.
I knew it wasn't gonna make crazy horsepower, but I did it. So.
Boom! You looking for this?
Cat
What's wrong
flies
with
out
you?
the side of the
Why
block.
are you fucking sad, pussy? Little bitch. Swing. I deserve it.
He does deserve it.
He's like, fuck, he's doing the math. I already did payroll, so you're getting paid anyways. Hit me as hard as you can, maybe I'll plus.
John's in Mexican.
Grunts and Chewbacca? They're supposed to be black.
What's wrong? Why are you limping?
I'm not limping. That's just my thug
Dude,
walk.
my fucking back hurts.
You got a rifle in the legs or what?
My back hurts from having to carry this podcast we're about to do.
We haven't even done it yet, and you think I couldn't carry it?
I 100% know.
I'm gonna push you today.
Ooh, I want
I've
to
seen
push
your
you.
podcast,
Bro, ask
and I
me.
know you're holding back. Take
Ask
a
me.
look at his sad eyes. Every
Ask-
time he looks at one of the cars, the entries, and he just wants to rip it so hard, but he can't.
I
It's
can't.
deep inside.
All fucking LS cars. It's like making fun of you every day.
I know how much to tear this car up, but I can't.
Got the bumpers back. I thought you said I'd be crazy.
I told you. I'm surprised they did it. We would have had the fender too. Would have came in time.
Sure just took this one.
Huh?
There's probably no fixing that one.
It would have cost more to fix that one than just replace it now. Yeah.
I was telling them like we should just do the exhaust out of there and just cut it out. I'd be like, nobody knows.
That would have been.
Nobody fucking knows.
Yeah.
Kevin was making fun of me. He's like, you're gonna do shiny ass front and back
Yeah,
parts,
yeah.
and then everything else is fucking. I
I know.
was gonna tell you to take the bed tomorrow and then just do the whole bed.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Very good.
Cab on Monday.
This secures, I can touch it.
Yeah, it's a little tacky, but it should be good. Yeah. Love dog.
You're dumber than you look.
The video guy always making us hot.
Yeah.
Don't they run fans a lot here? That's the one thing I've noticed.
Fans and
So
compressors.
When I come film
loud.
here, every fan is running.
Yeah.
In every corner of the shop.
Well, I'm sorry, it's a non-HC shop. I don't like these guys that much.
We gotta sweat a little
Yeah.
bit during filming.
More? Better, worse.
Push it a little bit more.
There's no more PP left. No more. Whenever you're playing Pokemon, you do the same move, you run out. Like, there's no more PP left.
You gotta spread the cheeks.
Ooh, yours or hers?
I have the capacity.
All right, Juan, don't be afraid to talk some shit. How's the truck look? Let's go.
Did we roast you too hard?
No.
Come here.
Boy,
Come here, puppy. It's okay.
I was trying to find a damn picture of the seats to send.
Okay, well, damn. We got the front bumper painted. Okay.
Before you say anything, how much did you pay? Because, okay, he found it by himself. Never mind.
All right, Juan, we're gonna have to talk about it.
You scuffed it already?
What happened?
I don't know, it just seems like a rough spot or something.
Where?
On the edge.
Here?
Right on the corner, yeah.
Back looks good. So can I wash it tomorrow and it'd be all right, Juan?
You can wash it now.
Okay, I'm not staying here to wash it.
Don't sand it down. Just take like.
In all honesty, nobody should really be like this fucking close to this thing.
It looks good though. I appreciate you. I guess you want to get paid?
No.
Okay, cool.
I mean,
No. Yeah, actually.
No, you don't.
No, you have to.
Yeah, it's not bad. Oh, hey guys, didn't know y'all were there. Hell yeah, the truck's come a long way. We are on our way to October Truck Madness at Baytown. So we have the F-150, which comes out of hiding like every so often, and we got the Sierra. It's not 100% yet, so if you walk by and see it, don't judge us. If you do judge us, your mom's a hoe. Because once that bitch is 100% tidy, painted, raring to go, it's gonna be a showstopper. But right now I decided, you know what, let me bring it out. Let's see if, let's see what the people's initial thoughts are, and we just kind of go from there. But
It's crazy to think that only, 3-4 months ago?
yeah, 3 months
That
ago.
thing was jacked up on mud tires.
And making 220
Slow
horsepower.
as shit.
190 horsepower. It's made 925 now. I think we can make a little bit more. We're just kind of enjoying the truck right now, enjoying the process. We got to scale it, set the suspension. We just got the differential done. We had a bad axle. If you noticed it in one of the videos, like the driver's side wheel was kind of just doing this number. So we bought some Yukon axles, a Yukon locker. You're probably wondering, well, if you're driving this one, who's driving that one? So my friends, the twins, Abor and Gabriel, they're driving the Sierra right now. So very limited people that I trust driving my stuff. So
I'm surprised that you chose to drive the F-150 and not the Sierra this time.
I didn't actually choose. I said, y'all can pick whichever one y'all want to drive.
Oh, and that's the one they chose?
Yeah, they said, hey, we're used to this Chevy shit. You can keep the fancy Ford. So that's what we did. Oh, fuck. We missed our exit, Levi.
You boys like Mexico?